Welding teaches students various welding processes, procedures, and practical metal fabrication skills through classroom and hands-on lab experiences. Students learn a variety of welding techniques, including arc welding and computer-automated plasma cutting. Welding is associated with the ABC Apprenticeship Program and the American Welding Society. Today we are highlighting Career and Tech student Jordan Young, a member of the Welding Program. Jordan states that his favorite part of the program is creating projects. He believes they have a lot of variety in the projects they get to work on and that they get lots of things done. Welding instructor Mike Swinesberg states, "Jordan is a great student and is becoming a skilled welder. He is always on task and willing to help others. Jordan takes his time working on his projects and tries to solve problems, but isn't afraid to ask for help when needed. He listens, picks things up quickly, and is a very teachable student. Every teacher would appreciate a classroom full of students like Jordan." Jordan is also a senior at Westminster High School. When Jordan is not in school, he loves riding ATVs, working on his truck, spending time with his friends and family, and taking care of his Labradoodle Maggie. After graduation, Jordan will enter the workforce in the welding trade.